So late April, still some daffodils in flower, but the majority of them have started to die off. And here we can see here how the flowers have died off, the seed pods rather are forming, and the leaves are going yellow and dying down. What you should do now is to remove the flower heads and remove the seed pods that are forming so that the bulb doesn't waste energy putting energy back into producing seeds. We want all the energy from the leaves and the stem to go back into the bulb so it'll flower away properly next year. But it's terribly important that you don't, when you get the mower out as we have here, that you don't go and mow these off, because if you do, you will stop the bulb taking back the energy from its leaves to flower again next year. You probably will kill most of the bulbs, and what you leave might be just strong enough to put up some leaves, but it won't be strong enough to flower. So those of you who've got the lawnmower out early, make absolutely sure that you don't mow off your daffodils. Even if you think they've nearly died down, leave it another month. Yes, it'll look a bit weedy, but you'll get a much better flower next year if you don't rush in and just leave the grass and the daffodils to die back naturally. It'll all be fine, and you'll ensure that you get a really good show next year.